This is not a test. I repeat. This is not a test. In Brooklyn, NY, at approximately 11:10 a.m. EDT, a report of a weird human-like creature was roaming the streets of Brooklyn. This is effective until further notice. The affected areas are Brooklyn, NY. Get to shelter.
If you have seen an anomaly approach your house, call us at +1 917 192 7782.
January 12, 2037, a total of 15,829 people have gone missing. Lock all doors and close all blinds and windows. These anomalies can break through doors and windows without protection. Stay home and never exit under any circumstances, even saving your family.